Hello guys, in today's video I introduce BONOSS Wheel Spacers for Volkswagen. BONOSS Wheel Spacers with hollow-out design effectively reduce the weight of spacers. The lightweight plus of wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption, improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unstrung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer. BONOSS Volkswagen Wheel Spacers adopts forging process with aluminum alloy 6061 T6 and aluminum alloy 7075 T6 material. Starting from the raw materials, BONOSS manufacturer produced Volkswagen the best forged aluminum alloy 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 material. Compared with aluminum alloy 6061 T6, the aluminum alloy 7075 T6 wheel spacers, strength and toughness are also greatly enhanced. Higher performance and strength bring customers a safer use experience. The wheel bolts of BONOSS wheel spacers are made of forged SCM440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistant structural stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9, which have high strength than stock one. BONOSS forged lightweight wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, fast customer service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get the Volkswagen Wheel Spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.